Welcome to the channel. First of all, click on Start Lab, and if you want to enable the yellow check my progress bar, check the video description. Now wait for the lab to get started. So finally here the lab is started. First of all, you have to click on this live server URL and just open a new tab, paste over here. And if you're getting this kind of error, just ignore it because we have to copy the IDE URL. So first copy it over here. Wait for the page to fully load. Now the first thing you need to do, you need to click on this source control. Just click on it, click on the clone repository, come to the lab instruction, task number 1, and just scroll down, and from here just copy this. You're just cloning from the GitHub repository and just hit enter. Now once you hit enter, wait for some time, and once you see the directory like this, just click on OK. Now wait for it to get fully open. It will ask to would you like to open the clone repository. Just click on open option. The page will reload itself. Now once it is ready, you have to just click on this checkbox. Yes, I trust the author. Click on this. Then go to the terminal, new terminal. Wait for the terminal to get ready. It will take some time. Remove this unwanted pop-up meanwhile, and just come over here. Okay, come over here, and from here we have already cloned the repository, and now we'll just go to this directory. Okay, all these things are mentioned on the lab instruction. I'm just using for the ease of access. You can clearly see. Okay, so just right click, click on allow, hit enter. Again, come to the GitHub repo, copy this, right click, hit enter. Now again, we have to create the app. This will create the Flutter project. Okay, so right click and hit enter. Now wait for it to get created. It will take some time. After that, we have to just modify some of the files. Okay. So finally here you can see all these packages and files have been successfully completed, means loaded. Now after that, we have to run the server. So for that, just copy it, right click again and paste over here. Now from here, just open it. From here, just open the library, and we have to open two files, that is one login dot and home dot. So let's open one by one, and you can see we are unable to modify the files. So first of all, you need to click on, just scroll down till the end and just press I button. Now you can see insert is showing. Now just drag your mouse cursor to the top and replace the file. Come back again, copy the file over here, paste it, and just save it. You can just use file and save also, and we can just save it directly also. Now open the home dot, do the same process over here, press I button. Once you see insert, just clear all the files, come back over here, just scroll down a bit, home dot, and just update it. Once all these things are done, okay, once all these things are done, do join our social handles for any queries too. Now just come to the file and just file, go to the save option. Once all these things are done, if you want to view the app, you can simply copy it, just paste over here and open the browser. You can see the web app is now ready. Also, meanwhile, just check the score, and if you want to enable the yellow check my progress bar, just check the video description. Just refresh it. You can see the browser is not updated yet. Still, we can complete the lab. So thank you. Have a great day.